Turn it up world.
You got it. Turn it up world. Hey guys.
How you doing?
We're coming to Palazzo.
Yeah, welcome to
Hey,
Palazzo.
how you doing?
I just subscribed to you guys 2 weeks ago.
Oh, awesome.
Very cool.
Hey, how are you?
That's amazing.
Air elbow.
Oh, everybody.
There we go. Air elbow. Hey, all right. Yeah, there you go. Hey.
Hey there, world travelers.
Hey there.
I'm Tanya,
And I'm Dave.
and we are Turn It Up World. Welcome back to
Las Vegas.
Hey, so today we're excited because we're going to be taking you around a little bit of the Palazzo life. Yes, we are staying at the Palazzo here in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, which happens to be the sister hotel and casino to the Venetian. And the room we're staying in is called the Premium Luxury, sort of the Strip View Suite here at the Palazzo, and we can't wait to show you around.
And after the room tour, we're going to take you for some great food at Yardbird, which is really, really nice. And then after that, to the Palazzo pools.
You know how we like to do, better hit the pool. So I think it's time for us to get this party started. So you ready to get this party started?
I'm ready.
Let's rock! Hello and welcome to our premium luxury suite here with a strip view at the Palazzo. Now, before we get started, I will say this room does really remind us of the Venetian, with the exception it has a little bit more of a modern spin. So let's just start off first this way. Now, it's not a very big room, but it's cozy and cute. Let's take you into the bathroom. Now, the bathroom is cute. It's got a little bit of a nice little vanity off to the left here with great drawers looks like there's a blow dryer in there. Black granite countertops, really nice and quaint. Of course, you got the dual vanity, which is always nice because, you know, Dave and I, we like the dual vanities. We like to brush our teeth at the same time. Cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. We can even watch TV, catch it right up top there, which is really, really nice to be able to do that. It's got a nice deep soaker tub. Now, it's not a jacuzzi tub, but it's a deep soaker tub. Really nice, cozy, quaint, kind of nestled in the corner. And of course, a big shower. Now, this is definitely a little bit different than our vibe that we were at the Bellagio just recently. So if you haven't seen at Bellagio, we stayed in one of their stay well sort of corner suites. You should definitely go check that out if you haven't seen that. Moving right along. Come on, come on. Come on with it, come on with it, come on with it, come on with it. Uh-oh.
What do you got?
Uh-oh. Welcome to our bedroom space. And that bed looks really, really comfortable. But you know what time it is, y'all. It's time for the bed test. Right, Dave?
That's right.
The bed has done us justice, you guys. It's a little bit more springy than some of the other ones we've stayed in for sure, but definitely soft and cozy. Love that they kind of create this sort of like pleated wall.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
Really cool, just to kind of create like a more cozy.
It's
nook
soundproofing.
ambience. Soundproofing. There you go. Large end table on one side, and it's really kind of a cool modern dynamic. So usually in places you find end tables to be the same. In this bedroom here, they basically mixed it up to create more of a little different dynamic. So you have like a seating area here to watch TV and another end table of a different speed. So they have one square one and one round one.
Oh yeah, look
really
at that.
nice. Really nice.
I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, I always I know all that great stuff. But I like the creation, the separation of space. Okay,
Yes.
so come on down, walk on down here with me. And this is just kind of like your separation of space. It's still one room, but I love how they have like a couple of steps down into a little separate area. You have like sort of the L-shaped sort of seating here with a table and another TV. So you got two TVs. You can put sports on one and you can put shows on the other. And what is in here?
What do you got? Ooh, the dreaded mini bar.
Yes, there it is. The dreaded mini bar.
Open that up?
Yeah, just don't take
Open
anything
it.
out.
Don't
But
touch it.
okay,
Ooh.
great. It's got
That
all
looks
the
pretty
good features and things in there for sure. But as soon as you remove it, you bought it. So don't try and remove it and replace it one from the liquor store later on, because it won't work. As soon as you remove it, you bought it. But it's nice to have this little kind of 2-seat round table here for having your coffee in the morning, or if you're gonna go downstairs and grab a snack, bring it up here and enjoy some of the views, which are lovely.
All right, look at these views.
Aren't they lovely?
Nice.
You got Treasure Island, you got the mountains off in the back, so you're really gonna capture, from here you'll see a gorgeous sunset. You know, I got Area 15 way off and to the right, so you can see what's going on. You got Mirage cooking things over there, Caesars, and of course, down below, you guys, where we will be heading soon, those pools. Oh my gosh, and they're heated. I'm excited. I'm excited. Little desk space here. Great with the modern touches. All has like this really kind of cozy vibe. And I will say, that is about it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. Dave and I are about to change, get downstairs for a little yard bird brekkie, and of course, the pools. Hey, welcome to the Palazzo Pool. We're so excited to be here now. We did make a quick change. I know we're supposed to be heading to Yardbird for some, I guess, delicious food, but the line and the wait, you guys, was extremely long, so we decided to change plans, come to the pool and enjoy and relax here, see what this is like, and have a special surprise for you after this one. Is that right?
That's right.
So we're excited to just see how warm this water is. I know they said it might be heated. Let's check it out. The water really is nice and warm.
It's not bad. It's pretty nice. It's not as hot as the Circa pool.
Right, yeah. It's not bad water. This is more like lukewarm water.
Which is perfect.
Yeah, it's like the water that you, when you're in the bathtub, you want to turn it back on because you want an extra hot.
Exactly. That's true. But it's really nice.
It is nice. So just want to mention, if you want to get that good afternoon sun, you want to sit on the side closest to the building here, which will be right in your face. As the sun gets up, you know, really high up in the sky right about now, right?
Absolutely, yeah. The mornings tend to be pretty shady here unless you're like way out.
Way out. And so one of the pools over there, as you can see, that's like the super sunny side.
Exactly, but afternoons it's going to really get nice and sunny down here.
Oh, yeah. So that was an awesome time here down at the Palazzo Pool. I think I've had enough sunshine and fun here. I'm ready to show them a surprise. Ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go! Let's see how easy it is to take a 20 in there.
All right, here we go.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Okay.
I just took my 20. It said my 20.
There we go. So we are ready.
Oh my goodness gracious.
We got 20 credits.
All right, you guys, we got 20 credits here.
All right.
Oh my God. He's like, no, that's not how it works. What doesn't work? What am I doing? What is the max bet?
Each credit's $1. I have no idea what the max bet is.
All right.
What is bet?
Max bet's $5.
Oh, okay, it's $5.
So we try 1 5?
Okay, sure.
All right, we're gonna try one max bet, you guys. Here we go.
All right, we're down to 15.
We're down to 15. Oh my God, I don't like this. Oh, this is going.
All right.
You bet one, Dave?
Sure, try one.
All right, here we go. Betting one. Here we go.
And then I guess you
spin the wheel.
I think so.
All right, here we go.
Oh, we're down to 14.
Oh no! Martin D's like, pick another slot machine. Oh my goodness gracious, I think I just won. I like this one. Wayne's like, cash out and go to In-N-Out Burger.
Exactly.
All right, here we go. Here we go. We'll bet one. And here we go.
There we go. Taking our money.
What the heck is this?
It's taking our money. Nobody's winning.
Do the 1 cent ones. Dave, maybe you push it.
Want to push it? Okay,
like
there we go. That one?
Yeah.
Spin the wheel?
Spin the wheel.
Nothing.
All right, here we go. red color. Try it one more.
Oh, sure, you can try. You like those max bets. We'll give it a shot. Ready? Ready? Okay.
Please do it.
Stop it. Down to 7.
Oh my goodness gracious. This is why we don't do this, you guys.
There we go. Give us something. Just give us 25 cents. Go ahead. They're like, thank you for the money.
Thank you for the 20.
Plus the ATM fee.
Let's try this one. Hold on. At least cover the ATM fee.
Yeah, exactly. Good luck.
Oh my gosh! Yay!
What does that
Oh
mean?
my gosh! What does that mean?
What do we got? I have no idea.
Easy money. Easy money. 25 current
So we
offer.
got 55 on that. That's nice job.
So take it.
Okay.
Try again. Try again.
Try again, this one?
Yes.
Ooh, okay.
Gives you more offers.
Okay,
Try
try
again.
it.
Try again.
What does that mean? Oh, wait, here we go. Oh, we just got 75.
Woohoo!
Oh, I see, because I see, this is kind of what happened.
Oh, I see.
What do you guys think? Should we take it? That
Too
seems
close.
pretty good.
Can you even see those things from there?
Oh, yeah, I gotta show that.
You gotta pull it back a little bit.
Yeah, well, at least they see that.
All right.
Oh, everybody says take it.
Take it, let's take the offer.
Take it. All right,
Sounds
take it.
good, here we go. And we're gonna cash out.
Oh,
Oh,
you
look
guys.
at that. We're winning money.
Oh my goodness gracious.
80 credits now, not bad.
Take it around.
Take it around, here we go.
Take it around.
Pretty good, hey,
Yay, take
not bad.
it and cash out right now.
Sounds good.
No way.
There you go.
Yay.
Huge win. Huge win.
Now there's a nice way to end the evening. If you made it this far, thank you very much. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get every time we post something new and exciting. As always, thanks for joining us, world travelers, and we look forward to seeing y'all in Las Vegas.